Hey everybody, what's up? I just built an amazing app called FlickFusion using the latest version of ChatGPT, GPT-4, and I'm super excited to share it with you. I got the idea from this tweet and decided to make something even more advanced. FlickFusion is designed to save you from endless scrolling, helping you find the perfect movie or TV show in just seconds. Every day FlickFusion updates its recommendations so you'll never run out of fresh content to watch. With FlickFusion, you can easily build your ultimate watch list, making it super simple to keep track of all your favorite movies and TV shows. The app even lets you watch movie trailers, see detailed information about the film, and find out where to stream it. Found something interesting? Share it with your friends and family in just a tap, or add it directly to your watch list. And guess what? FlickFusion works seamlessly on your iPad too, so you can enjoy it on the big screen. No more endless scrolling. Find the perfect movie or TV show in seconds. And here's a fun challenge for you. There's a hidden Easter egg inside the app. If you find it, comment below and let me know. So what are you waiting for? Give FlickFusion a try and let me know what you think in the comments. I'll include the download link in the description and pinned comment.